If your Whirlpool electric range cooktop is not heating properly, getting too hot, or only working intermittently, the infinite switch could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I guide you through testing and replacing this essential part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Plug the power cord back in. Extreme care should always be taken when working around live voltage, since it can result in serious injury. If you're not comfortable testing live power with a multimeter, do not continue. We're testing the small single element switch, but the same terminal locations would be used for the large elements as well. Set your multimeter to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Place one probe on the black wire at terminal L1 and the other probe on the red wire at terminal L2. You should see about 240 volts AC. Now rotate the element switch to the high setting. Place one probe on the yellow wire at terminal H2 and the other probe on the yellow wire at terminal H1. You should see 240 volts AC. If the voltage reading is missing, like we see here, the infinite switch has failed. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Since we found the infinite switch has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Unplug the power cord. Remove the burner control knob, then disconnect the wires from the infinite switch. If your model does not use a plastic connector, take a picture of the wiring layout so you know exactly where each wire will go on the new switch. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 mounting screws, secure the switch at the front of the console, then pull the switch out. Here's the old infinite switch and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the infinite switch with the 2 Phillips screws. Install the knob and connect the wires. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job getting your Whirlpool electric range back in working order by replacing the infinite switch. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a part, remember to have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for allowing us to be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to assisting you with your next do-it-yourself project.